The Noble Great Vehicle Sūtra, Mañjuśrī's teaching. Homage to all Buddhas and Bodhisattvas. Thus did I hear at one time. The Blessed One was dwelling in Shravasti, in Jeta's Grove, Anathapindada's Park, together with a great congregation of 1,250 monks and 5,000 bodhisattvas. At that time, the Blessed One was teaching the Dharma, surrounded and venerated by an audience of many hundreds of thousands. Youthful Mañjuśrī then hoisted a jeweled parasol measuring 10 yojanas in circumference and held it directly over the Blessed One's head. Present in the retinue, along with his entourage, was a god from the house of Santushita called Susima, whose progress toward unsurpassed and perfect awakening had become irreversible. He now rose from his seat, approached the place where youthful Mañjuśrī was, and addressed him. Mañjuśrī, aren't you satisfied with your offering to the Blessed One? Mañjuśrī asked in return, Divine Being, tell me, is the great ocean ever satisfied by having water poured into it? Mañjuśrī, no, it is not, replied the god. Mañjuśrī said, Divine Being, likewise the wisdom of omniscience is as profound, immeasurable, and boundless as the great ocean. Those bodhisattva mahasattvas who wish to search for that wisdom should never be content in their desire to make offerings to the Tathāgata. The god then asked, Mañjuśrī, with what purpose in mind should offerings be made to the Tathāgata? Mañjuśrī replied, Divine Being, offerings should be made to the Tathāgata with 4 purposes in mind. What are those 4? They are 1. The purpose of the mind of awakening. 2. The purpose of liberating all sentient beings. 3. The purpose that the lineage of the 3 jewels will continue uninterrupted. And 4. The purpose of purifying all Buddha realms. Divine Being, it is with these 4 purposes in mind that offerings should be made to the Tathāgata. When Mañjuśrī had spoken, the gods, Susima, the monks, nuns, bodhisattvas, and the entire retinue, along with the world with its gods, humans, asuras, and Gandharvas, rejoiced and praised the words of youthful Mañjuśrī. This concludes the Noble Great Vehicle Sūtra, Mañjuśrī's teaching.